go, I'll introduce Marion. So ito yung coastal comforts at home. First in Cagayan de Oro and in Igpit Opolsya, facing Makahalar Bay. So this is an ideal blend of urban accessibility. Kasi wala pa kasi na-build ngayon na ganitong project here in Cagayan de Oro. So we started it first, no, kami sa WICOM. And it stands a testament that the residents can drift to a serene, exclusive home. Diba, maganda yung feeling na paglabas mo dagat na. So ito yung mga best of Marion Coast residences. Number one is exclusive siya. Because it is positioned in a calm vicinity of Barangay Igpit. Hindi siya masyadong populated at hindi siya magulo yung location. So, and then it's a beachfront. At WICOM, it's first condominium project by the sea. So, nauna si Cagayan de Oro. Ito yung sinasabi ni Sir Carter, no, na laging nauuna si Cagayan sa mga development na bago. So, we are proud na nauna siya dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Of course, partner with our Magnum Group. And then, modern comfort and convenience. Kasi talaga, because it's a luxury, and high-end siya na beachfront na residence. So we really make sure na modern siya, comfort siya, and of course, yung binabayaran ng cost ng clients natin, really, they deserve it. So parang ganun. Then flexible siya because it offers convertible units. So our location is very accessible. So malapit lang tayo sa mga medical institutions, sa mga schools and universities. And then, yung mga malls natin, mga terminals, central areas, and then mga recreation areas. Actually, si Seven Seas nasa likod lang eh. So, kung makikita niyo yung map, no? So, close lang siya, malapit lang sa property natin yung mga areas na pwede nating papuntahan or gusto nating puntahan in case. So dito natin makikita, no, sa view na to, facing the beach. And then next is the roadside. So ito naman yung itsura niya, facing the road. And then next is, okay, roadside din to na area din, the front perspective. So ganito na yung front niya, makikita nyo. Our overall project details for Marion. So the total lot area natin for this development is around 5,380 square meters. So kung titingnan natin, it's not really a big one, just a 5,000 property development. And then the total residential unit is maliit lang talaga siya at around 68 units. So very limited siya, kaya kailangan talaga nating humabol, no, if really wanted to get a unit. Because we just really offered it for few of those selected dati talaga na talagang bibili talaga ng unit. And then our total parking lots is nasa 118 slots siya. So we already calculated this enough for our residents. And then yung ano naman natin, yung beach natin is swimmable naman. Actually, been there, maganda yung beach talaga. So the shoreline easement of 20 meters, so malapit lang. Pagbabamot na is pwede mo na lakarin yung beach. And and then pwede ka na maligo. So we have 2 towers. The tower 1 and then the tower 2. So yung first natin is meron tayong 15th to 17th floor planned residential development. So ito yung mga building features natin. Of course, number 1, we are a smart home ready. And then meron tayong welcoming lobby in every tower. So every tower may sarili siyang lobby. And then 24/7 na security with CCTV camera in the common areas. And then meron din tayong mail room. So the usual lang siya, but we just make lang the look more luxurious siya for our clients. And then we have 1 service elevator. Then of course, given na yung alarm system natin, accelegraph, then keycard access. And of course, we have a lot of ample spaces for our amenities and landscaping. The generator set, kung makikita niyo, no, bakit namin ito hina-highlight? Kasi it's very important na during brownout or meron tayo mga blackout or something problem. So meron na tayong identified areas na kung ano yung functional. So ito yung in case of power interruptions, we have 800 kilowatt per 1,000 kVA na genset to really provide you the supply, emergency power para sa mga essential loads. So meron tayo isa sa dining, isa sa living room, isa din sa kitchen, and then meron din tayo mga switches kung makikita ninyo mga light and outlet. So may nilagay talaga tayo, no, for purposes of our supply in case of emergency. Ito sa unit A nyo, nakikita nyo, di ba, parang it's a sliding because we want it flexible. So importante kasi, di ba, especially na may mga family tayo na we want na yung magagather, so marami, so we can open this para at least mas wider yung area. And then isa din yun, yes, convertible siya, tama. So yun yung kagandahan ng unit natin kasi flexible. Ito yung itsura ng unit A natin for 1 bedroom unit. So kung nakikita nyo, no, it's a sliding door, and then designed in according talaga sa need ng ating mga clients. So this is a 29.20 square meter na open studio unit, which is also convertible into 1 bedroom just in case. Option ng client na mag 1 bedroom lang siya. Ito naman yung unit B natin, okay, at 31.5 square meter. So may dalawang option din tayo. So ito naman yung itsura ng unit B natin na 1 bedroom unit. Balcony, ito yung isa sa pinaka-highlight ni Marion because we want our client to experience makikita nila yung view ng beach. And then yung ginagamit natin na material here is all are rust free. So ito naman yung unit C natin, which is around 33.70 square meters. So may dalawa din tayong options. So narito na rin yung mga dimensions nila for the respective areas like si kitchen, toilet, so makikita na ninyo. Around 36 square meter naman siya. So mas malaki na. So na-notice yun, malalaki yung cuts natin. So the same din, this is convertible and then flexible unit. So makikita na ninyo din yung how it looks. Ito yung mga big cuts natin and then mga prime cuts natin ng mga area, ng mga unit, which is yung unit F, around 45.30 square meter. So kung makikita niyo, no, it's a 2-bedroom unit which is also convertible into 2-bedroom unit with sliding partition walls. So meron tayo nito sa 8th floor. Okay, ito yung itsura niya. So you can maximize then the space if you want to convert this also into 2-bedroom unit. So the same din, no, hina-highlight din natin yung balcony niya. So this is how it looks. Ito naman yung isang unit natin na malaki din na prime, si unit G, around 43 square meter. So again, you have also the option then if you want to convert it to bedroom units. So here, the architectural layout niya, kung makikita niyo, no, 2-bedroom siya. So malaki yung space. Ito yung mga smart home features na lagi naming sinasabi sa mga clients na our competitive advantage. Because our partner is also a supplier na nag-ano din sila ng mga smart home na mga items and gadgets like si Cherry, 6-in-1 smart door entrance lock, and then meron din tayong Cherry home transceiver, and then kahit yung mga ano natin, no, yung mga outlets natin, and then yung mga switches natin is already a smart red. So in terms naman of unit finishes, so we make sure din na quality yung mga finishes natin. Of course, dapat luxury siya eh. So we make sure din na lahat is according to our standard. Like for example, ito, sa shower unit naman, no, basically we really use multi-function. Para may option si client kung ano yung gusto niyang gamitin. Magsha-shower ba siya? And then sa mga lighting fixtures naman, so this one we make sure to use LED talaga. So ito yung turnover finishes natin. Our total contract price for this is around 4.2 million for the 29.20 square meter. So we have legal and miscellaneous fees. Of course, this is already given. Then the bank fees. So the total contract price for this unit is around 5.2. So our equity is at 20%. So equity amount at 1 million. And then our reservation fee is 50,000. So our amenities floor plan, no, nandito rin. Okay? So kung makikita nyo ng lobby pa lang, di ba? It's very nice. And then we really make sure na mamimited yung luxurious look, yeah, and feel. So meron tayong ganito para sa mga kids, just in case. Okay. Okay, so meron din tayong sports and ano na area dun sa mahilig and then sa mga health conscious and fit na mga clients natin. So here also is our poolside. Okay. Okay, so meron din tayong function rooms. So actually, we really designed this, no, na parang you can also conduct any events or activities like weddings, diba? Magandang area siya for a venue. So we have 2 function room. And then here is our coffee area. So meron tayong coffee shop, restaurant, dining area.